Hello everyone, and today I am back with a new lesson. So people, our today's lesson is something which I have seen many people getting confused with. I have seen many students getting confused with the use of are and do. So today I am going to make it clear for you all that where can we use are and where can we use do. Okay, but first of all, before talking about the differences, let me talk about something which is common in them. Okay, because I have seen many people, they talk about differences more but not about those things which are common in us. So first of all, I would like to talk about something which is common between are and do. Okay, so first thing which is common is that they both are used in simple present tense. They both are used in present tense. Okay, first thing. Second thing which is common is that they both are used with plural subject. Okay, so two things which are common is present tense and plural subject. All right, now let's talk about the differences which they have a little bit only. Okay, so the first difference is are is used with verb plus ing. Okay, so whenever you will use are, you will use ing with the verb. Let me give you some example. Are you coming with me? Now you might have seen husbands speaking this line to their wives. Most of the time they say, are you coming with me or not, or should I go without you? I know you all might have seen this thing. So this is the line. And there is one more example. Whom are you looking for? We all are looking for someone, right, in our life. And so this line is for you all. So are you seeing, when we are using are, we are using ing with the verb. So whenever you are using are, please take care that verb will have ing. Okay, done. Now let's come on do. Okay, so do we will use with the verb but without ing. Without ing. Okay, so do you come with me? Are you seeing? Here we were saying are you coming? When ing came, we used are. But when we are not using ing, then we are using do. So we have to remember this thing, that without ing, if we have verb, then we have to use do. Do you come with me? Second point, which is, do you live here? Yeah, do you live here, people? Yeah, I know you all live in my heart, and that's true. But apart from it, people, remember, I hope now it is very much clear in your mind that where to use are and where to use do when we have verb in the sentence. Okay, now people, let me tell you, if we do not have any verb in the sentence, then we are going to use are in the sentence. Okay, for example, who are you, right? So we are using are with you because we do not have any verb in the sentence, right? Now do you see, are you smart? So people, this question which is written here, who are you, you all have to answer this question in the comment section. But I have a challenge for you all. You all are not going to tell me your name. Without telling me your name, you all have to tell me that who you really are. Okay, that's a challenge. So please share your answer in the comment section. Okay, so people, remember, whenever we are using are, we will use with verb plus ing, and otherwise we will use with some adjective like are you smart. Now can you see smart is an adjective? Yes. And we are going to use do with verb without ing. Okay, so that's all in today's class. I hope it is clear with you that where to use are and where to use do. I will see you in my next class. Thank you. Bye bye.